not requested, but offered. The palette that I'm going to be using today, which is the DIOR Color Games, and it is a 5 shadow palette, and it has a beautiful color scheme. We have the orange, the beige, a little pink for a pop of color, or an extra pop of color, and then we have 2 brown shades. And there is a beautiful YouTuber that I connected with, and she was unsure that this was going to show up on her skin tone. I thought my daughter's skin tone matched hers, and I thought I would attempt to see what this palette would look like on deeper skin tones. So let's go ahead and see. I'm going to be using 2 primers for either eye, and I just want to see which one brings out the shadow colors the best. On the first lid, I'm going to be using Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this is the anti-aging. She's going to just be using the things that I use. And I forgot to introduce her. This is my daughter.
Ooh, those are really nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's like a nice lotion.
That's what it feels like. On her other lid, I am going to be using the DIOR Forever Correct Concealer, and it is a brighter color, and sometimes it is a really good idea when you're working with certain colors to use a primer on your lids. It's going to make those colors pop, so I thought this would be a good idea. Alright, so we're going to start off with this one so we can let that side dry really good. On the side with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, on her lid, I'm going to go ahead and use this bronze shade. And I'm just using that all over her lid, from the inner corner all the way out. On the outer portion of her eye, I'm going to use this deep dark brown color. I'm just taking that and I'm going upwards on her eye. Ooh, that's so pretty. Alright, and we're just going to blend those 2 together and blend them up into her lid. On the top portion of her eye, I'm going to use this orange shade, and I'm going to go from close to the bridge of her nose all the way towards the middle, and that's just the upper eye area above the crease. And I'm starting light and just building up. And we're going to add a little more depth to each of those colors. So, starting from the beginning, We're just gonna go into her brow bone with this lightest shade. So now we're going on this side of the eye and we're gonna apply the same shadows in the same order, and we're just gonna see how those colors look on an eye primer that is brighter. And then I'm gonna come back on both eyes, and then we're gonna add that pink as the inner corner highlight, and then that'll end it. Blend those two together. And just softening up the edge of the top portion. Now for the orange. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's the favorite color in this palette for me.
I love that orange too.
You might want this for your collection, huh?
Maybe I will. Come to conclusion.
I always have one eye on myself that I do better than the other eye.
Mine's
I feel
always
like
right.
I did better on this one.
Oh, really?
That's the way I feel.
They don't
I
see
think
the
it's
right
the
one.
opposite eye for myself.
Yeah. I always do better on the right.
So I'm using the darkest brown shade on her lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go out with the pink. And with the pink, I'm going to do the inner corner. So this is the final look. What do you think? I enjoyed creating this look for you all, and I appreciate you, my daughter, for allowing me to do this look to share with other people with the same skin tones, and also to help my fellow YouTuber to see that she could also wear this palette. With deeper skin tones, they come out subtle. Anyway, it's a beautiful palette. So I just wanted to give this example. That way, if you are interested and maybe wondered if this palette was suitable for the deeper skin tones or how to go about making those colors pop. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful to many. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day, and we will see you all, or I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.